Good day, I'm Armand van der Spy, and I will be providing an update on the PSG Wealth Local Solutions for the month of August. First up is a quick market recap. The slide shows asset class performances over various time frames, all in Rand. After a strong July, the month of August was mostly flat, with the all-share returning negative 0.26%. Property continued to struggle and was the worst performer, down more than 8% for the month. Looking at the longer time frames, from 1 year to 7, we can see SA equity and in particular financials along with property have been the perennial laggards. Contrary to this is that global assets along with EM bonds have been the best performing asset classes in Rand over the last 3 to 7 years. Moving on to fund feedback. August was a strong month for the solutions, with 4 of the 5 funds in the top quartile, which in turn fed through to the longer term numbers. The key focus is over the longer term, with all funds in the top 2 quartiles for periods 7 years and longer. However, the performance over the minimum investment period for the income and preserver has been disappointing, while the enhanced interest, moderate and creator have all been strong top half performers. Assets under management are stable and staying strong, being constant just over 51 billion Rand. 19 out of 28 funds beat their sector averages over the past month. Top performers for the month were Prescient Yield Quant Plus, Prudential Enhanced Income, PSG Stable, PSG Balanced, and PSG Equity. The bottom performers included Prescient Income Provider, Net Group Investments Core Guarded and Core Diversified, as well as Old Mutual Investors. Moving to the enhanced interest, the fund outperformed the sector by 4 basis points over 1 month and 42 basis points over the minimum investment horizon of 1 year. It is also ranked first in its sector since inception. Income Fund had a positive month, outperforming its sector by 6 basis points while still trailing by 54 basis points over the recommended investment horizon of 2 years. The fund is also ranked 11th out of 42 over the last 7 years. The Preserver enjoyed a strong month, outperforming the sector by 52 basis points while also making up lost ground over the last 3 years and is now only trailing by 50 basis points. The fund is also ranked 26 out of 70 over the past 7 years. Moderate Fund of Fund outperformed the sector by 89 basis points over the past month and by 58 over a 5-year period. The fund is ranked 27th out of 84 over a 7-year period. The Creator Fund of Fund had a particularly strong month and outperformed the sector by 1.54%. Over the recommended investment period of 5 years, it also outperformed the sector by 2.2%. The fund has a 100% record of outperforming the sector average and is ranked 21st out of 84 funds over 7 years. This brings us to the end of the PSG Wealth Local Solutions Fund update for August 2020. Thank you and goodbye.